Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today, short little video because I'm doing something exciting, and let me show you. We're getting new socks on the truck, and by socks I mean wheels, because the tires are like the shoes because they're on the outside, and then the wheels are on the inside, so they're kind of like the socks. But let me show you what we're doing. Okay, so it is raining, so I can't get too up into this, but we have these Rockstar XD wheels. I've had them on the truck since I got the truck. They are originally silver. I plasti-dipped them black, painted the star blue because, well, I thought it looked good. But we have finally made a change. Check this out. I know what you're saying. Well, I don't know if you can see it. It's method, but it's actually not method, unfortunately. And it's starting to rain harder. Let me get this out real quick. This is what we have. They are method wheels boxes. They're not method wheels. Why? Because method wheels are ridiculously expensive, like $250 a piece, and I'm not dropping $1,000 on wheels. I can't realistically do that to myself, except if they were like the TRD Pro wheels, because those are the best looking wheels in my opinion. But let me show you what's in the box. We have, boom, 3rd gen TRD Sport wheels, and of course the cap's removable, so we can paint this a separate color if we want. But boom, 4 of these, other 3 are in the truck. Not gonna worry about them. So why these wheels? Well, they're lightweight. Number one is I wanted to reduce weight at the wheels because that's unsprung weight, and a lot of my driving is city, so I'm hoping it'll save me some miles per gallon. Like these are like 25, 26 pounds. I'm gonna weigh them real quick. So I wanted something different. Reason number 2 is I actually do like this design. I like this. It's more modern. It's definitely more modern. The Rockstar wheels, they're just so big and bulky. Like I can't really. I've never been a huge fan. They were originally silver, and I painted them because they were so ugly. These are silver, but we are going to paint this black. A bunch of this plasti dip here we're going to use. It is raining, but the wheels are going on today. Then I'll paint them when they're on. It's easier to actually plasti dip it with the tires on, in my opinion, because it's very easy just to create a ring that you don't worry about. But yeah, these are it. This is it. It's pretty simple. It's a good design. It's the TRD Sport. The TRD Pros are the best looking ones, but I don't have them, and I can't find them cheap. They're legitimately 250 bucks. We're gonna go get these put on. We're back from the shop and check these out. Look at these beauties. I really like the design. Not a huge fan of the chrome, but I do like the design. I'm missing the Toyota logo in that cap, so I may take them all off, because I called the dealership and they said that logo, they sell the whole centerpiece. This piece, if I can't get it off, but this entire piece is $65 per piece. So I was like, I may not do that. So yeah, it brings it to the modern century. So all I'm gonna do is take these off, wash them, and then we're gonna paint them black. So I don't think I'm gonna do like a how-to, because there's tons of how-tos on how to plasti dip something. So I think I'm just gonna do it real quick, and hopefully it turns out okay. Wheels have been washed. My truck skipped leg day, but we're gonna let these dry up, and then I'll just start plasti dipping. Probably do 5 or 6 coats just so I can remove it easily if need be. Ooh, these look so good. We use the index card method to block the tires off because it's super easy that way. But oh, look how clean these look. There they are. Wheels are on. We have the chrome Toyota logo just because I only have 3 of the 4, so I didn't paint them yet. This wheel is, I think it looks great in black. I want to do a little splash of color, maybe blue, like for this portion only, kind of like the Ford Ranger trimmer package has for the valve stem, and I may do that in blue just to match the truck. But overall, I mean, I think it looks better than my old Rockstars, that's for sure. So overall, these 4 wheels and the center caps took me 3 cans of plasti dip. Yeah, they're pretty much empty and we're starting to splatter, so I think you'd get 4 to be safe. But overall, I think it looks pretty good, and for a total of the wheels for $300, getting the new tire, or the tires moved over for $80 a discount tire, and then $28 of plasti dip, or $20 of plasti dip really, I think it looks great. It completely changes the look of the truck for me, and I'm a big fan of it. So let me know what you think about doing that Ford Ranger trimmer idea with the valve stem. I think it would look pretty cool, but I'm not entirely sure. So let me know what you would do in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.